Are you looking for the best shop vac? In this video we will look at some of the best shop vac on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Wet Dry Vac 4 gallon. Our Wet Dry Vac brings you efficient suction while remaining quiet during tough operations thanks to its strong 5 peak HP motor. It can achieve a 65 cfm airflow required for any tough cleanup job, leaving you feeling unstoppable thanks to its large 4-gallon capacity. The vac makes your whole space cleanup job a breeze, so you don't have to empty the bucket frequently. Ideal for cleaning homes, garages, cars, trucks, and vans. It is ETL listed. The perfectly crafted features will leave you prepared to handle any mess. The airflow adjustable design is featured in the shop vacuum to handle your various needs and exceed your expectations. We provide a 2-inch -1 crevice nozzle, a utility nozzle, and a multifunctional nozzle for cleaning wet liquid and dry garbage, debris. Also, you can easily switch to the blowing mode, helping you clean up fallen leaves in the garden and taking care of your lovely pet's hair. With over 23 feet of cleaning reach, 5 feet hose, 3 feet extension wand, and 15 feet power cord, it is effortless for you to reach further and higher without bending over or repeatedly having to move the machine. Even a large space can be cleaned in no time. Number 2. 9-gallon 4.25 peak HP Wet Shop Vacuum. The Craftsman 9-gallon Wet Dry Vac, featuring a 4.25 peak HP motor, is great for home renovations or home emergencies. Equipped with one of the most powerful motors our compact vacs have to offer, the 9-gallon shop vacuum is great for general garage cleaning, basement cleanup from flooding or seepage, as well as removing water from clogged sinks. With an extra large drain, liquids can be emptied quickly and easily from the tank. The quick lock filter fastening system allows for quick and easy wet-dry vacuum filter changes. Store this wet-dry vac with ease. Onboard hose storage, plus accessory and power cord organizers help eliminate unneeded hassle and reduce overall storage space. Gallons indicated reflect drum volume, not necessarily collection capacity. Actual capacity dependent upon type of debris collected, condition of filter and other factors. Peak horsepower represents a level at or below the maximum horsepower output of an electric motor tested in a laboratory using a dynamometer. Number 3. 5.5 peak HP Wet Dry Vacuum. Shop Vac vacuum cleaners have handles on top for easy lifting. Wall-mounted design, hanging on the wall for convenient and uncluttered storage. The vac has an extra long 18 lock-on hose, reducing the movement of the vacuum cleaner greatly and making your cleaning jobs much easier. Ideal size for virtually any cleanup. Peak 5 horsepower, strong dry, wet suction. It's used to clean dust, wood chips, debris or damp sewage. Shop Vac Corporation is the recognized world leader in wet, dry vacuum cleaners. Since 1965, we have made innovative, high-quality vacuum cleaners, filters, bags, and other accessories. Wall brackets included for vacuum and accessories to mount them by the vacuum so they are handy. The vac has extra long 18 lock-on hose, reducing the movement of the vacuum cleaner greatly and making your cleaning jobs much easier. This 5.0-gallon durable and rust-resistant tank is ideal for projects in your home, garage, workshop and vehicle. Number 4. 2.5-gallon 2 peak HP Utility Wet Shop Vac. This Armor All Utility Vac is specifically designed to clean the interior of your car. It handles both wet and dry pickup, includes all accessories needed for complete interior cleaning and easily converts to a blower to dry motorcycles, car grills and wheels. It also has an automatic shut-off to prevent overflow and a built-in air and noise diffuser for efficient and quiet operation. Armor All's utility wet, dry vacs have the ability to clean up both solids and liquids, offering seemingly unlimited uses. The 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank is small enough to carry around, but large enough for most jobs. A 2 horsepower motor provides ample suction power, as well as an easy conversion to a blower function. Auto shutoff detects fill limit and prevents overflow. Top handle and onboard accessory storage make for easy carrying. Built-in air and noise diffuser minimizes volume. Other great features include a 10-foot cord with wrap, 6-foot, 1.25-inch hose, reusable cloth filter, reusable foam sleeve, 2-inch-1 utility nozzle, crevice tool, deluxe car nozzle, blower nozzle, and detail brush. No assembly required. Number 5. Cordless 20-volt Wet Dry Shop Vac. The 20-volt Wet Dry Shop Vac is designed for compatibility with the popular 20-volt Max battery system. This makes it especially suitable for users who already possess tools. There's no need for additional investment in new batteries and chargers, as it operates with batteries up to 5 hours and can achieve up to 30 minutes of runtime. With a high airflow of 45 cfm and strong suction power of 12.1 kPa, this battery vacuum cleaner can easily handle even the most stubborn wet spills or dry debris. Its 265-gallon dust collector capacity means you can tackle more cleaning tasks without frequent emptying, making the cleaning process more efficient and time-saving. The included cleaning tools, along with an efficient mini filter cartridge, enable you to effectively tackle a variety of cleaning situations and needs. From dust in crevices to crumbs on the sofa, our accessory kit makes your cleaning tasks practically limitless.